one thing. Let's take a break from this market talk and discuss some of the earnings, or rather some of the companies that have been doing well. NBCC is the stock on our radar. It has seen a big surge in the last fortnight, actually. It's gone from 180 to 215 before you know it. Today there's profit taking, but the volumes have piled up on NBCC. And there is some news flow on that, where the cabinet has approved a redevelopment of 7 projects or 7 colonies, and NBCC has been awarded 3 of these colonies in Sarojini Nagar, Netaji Nagar and Nauroji Nagar. So, let's find out what the potential is for this company. Anup Kumar Mittal of NBCC joins in now to talk about that. Mr. Mittal, good morning, and thank you for taking the time out and speaking to CNBC TV 18. I wanted to know what the quantum of these projects is that you guys have won from the government, the redevelopment of these 3 projects, Sarojini Nagar, Netaji and Nauroji Nagar. What could the scope be, and what kind of revenues can you generate from this?
You see, this is a redevelopment of 7 government colony in Delhi. It's a part of extended Lutean zones, Sarojini Nagar, Nauroji Nagar, Netaji Nagar, and there are 4 more colonies, Srinivas-Puri, Tyagraj Nagar, Kasturba Nagar and Mohammadpur. So total volume is about 32,000 crore rupees construction has to be done in all 7 colonies in next 5 years. And the revenue required for construction will be generated out of the sale of the part of the property. This responsibility has been given to NBCC. So NBCC will construct 25,000 crore rupees of total project, and the remaining 6,000 to 7,000 will go to CPWD. So NBCC's job is to construct 25,000 crore rupees work, for which we will get 8% PMC charges. Then we will sell 32,000 crore property in market to generate revenue. On that we will get 1% marketing charges. And whatever initial seed money is required to be put in this project, that NBCC will put, and on that we will get 12% simple interest. So these are broad parameters, and total 5 years time has been given by government. And another thing is the government this time has decided to go for latest technology construction, so that time required in construction should be reduced to substantial extent, maybe 40% to 50%. And I hope that we will be able to complete these projects before 5 years.
Okay, Mr. Kumar, good morning. Just hold that thought. There's an important news on Kerala, on the Moraya facility, which is one of the more important facilities for Kerala. We believe that the company will complete remediation by July end. So that's an important news flashing on Kerala Healthcare. So that stock is up 3.7%. We'll revisit that story. For our non-Delhi viewers, for the areas that we are talking about right now, is really the posh location in South Delhi, all the 3 areas that Sonia mentioned. So that's going to be, of course, big. But Mr. Mittal, so in terms of your overall revenues from this redevelopment, if you could give us some numbers in terms of what kind of numbers will flow into your P&L. It looks like simple arithmetic at this point in time.
You see, the numbers are very simple. Our revenue will be 25,000 crore plus 10%, say 27,500 crore rupees. And as far as NBCC margins are concerned, this will be simply 2,500 rupees, 2,500 crore rupees in next 5 years. That will be profit, or you can say the revenue come to NBCC. That is 2.
Okay, that's over the next 5 years, but if you can break that up for us in FY17, what kind of revenue growth and margin growth are you looking at? You are sitting on about 6,000 crores of revenues for FY16. What does the growth look like?
You see, Sonia, these projects now government has approved in month of July. All formalities will take another 1 month's time, and parallelly we will start planning the construction activities. It will take 9 months' time, in my anticipation, to start the work at ground. So I hope that the revenue booking will start from 17-18 financial year. But in this financial year, what I am expecting that part of the property we will be able to sell in market. So that 1% marketing charges I'm hoping will come to NBCC in this financial year, not entire, but part of that. So that will be a small amount as far as revenue booking is concerned, but if you take it as a profit, this will be a huge jump in our profit margin.
Okay. What next? Of course, this is still work in progress, but anything more that we can hear in terms of redevelopment going forward?
Lot of things. Just wait for another couple of weeks' time. A lot of good news will come on not only redevelopment side, some other mega projects are also almost finalized, and give us some more time. And by end of July or by 15th of August, you will see similar kind of good news.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us. But we have some breaking news coming in on Cadila.